Easy, quick crochet mini gift bag, perfect for beginners. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to make it step by step. A cute little handmade gift idea. Let's make it together. We'll use cotton yarn and 2 hook sizes. Very simple. 2.5 millimeters, then 2.20 millimeters. All right, let's start now and make the bag together. Make a slip knot. That's your starter knot. Now chain 20. Nice and even. Quick tip, don't chain too tight. Keep your tension relaxed. It'll look cleaner. Lay your chain flat and make sure it isn't twisted. Then we'll work into it. After chain 20, start in the 3rd chain from your hook. Now make 17 double crochets, 1 in each chain. Quick DC reminder. Yarn over, insert, pull up a loop, pull through 2 and 2. At the end, into that last chain, make 3 double crochets. That's how we turn the corner. All right, now we're moving to the other side of the chain. Keep the same stitch rhythm. Now, turn your work. Start in the 1st chain underneath and make 16 double crochets across. Keep your stitches snug, not tight. Smooth edges will make the bag look cleaner. In that last stitch, make 2 double crochets. And now, you should have 39 double crochets total. Slip stitch into the 1st stitch and complete the round. Chain 2, and remember, this chain doesn't count as a stitch. Start in the same stitch, then make 1 double crochet in every stitch around. Keep your count. Total stays 39. You'll notice the base forming. A neat oval. That's exactly what we want. When you reach the corner, no special steps here. Just keep going. 1 double crochet in each stitch. At the end, slip stitch into the 1st stitch and close the round. Chain 2, same start. Start in the same stitch, 1 double crochet in each stitch around. You'll land at 39 again. Now just repeat these rounds until you like the height. Shorter or taller, completely up to you. I'm going for 10 rounds total, counting from the foundation chain. All right, I finished 10 rounds, and the height is done. Slip stitch into the 1st stitch, and finish the round. Chain 1, cut the yarn, and now we'll switch to white. Attach your white yarn neatly, and keep that join snug and clean. Attach your yarn right on the side, into the top of any double crochet. Chain 1, then slip stitch into the next stitch. Chain 1, slip stitch next. Chain 1 and slip stitch into the next stitch. Just keep repeating. Chain 1, slip stitch, all the way around. You'll see a neat little trim forming. Just keep it even. After your last slip stitch, chain 1. Leave a little tail, cut the yarn, and make an invisible join into the 1st stitch. That gives you a clean finish. All right, the bag body is finished. Now we'll make the drawstring chain. This part is quick. To make it look like a little pouch, we'll crochet a long chain drawstring, any length you like. I started with 2 chains, like this. Leave a tail at the start and the end, and chain 75 in total, nice and long. And of course, you can adjust the length however you like. Make sure both chains are the same length. And now let's attach them to the bag. We'll weave it through like a shoelace. Just simple zigzags. Easy. Skip 1 or 2 stitches and weave the chain through in a zigzag. You can weave it through round 9 or round 10. Either one is fine. Keep your spacing even as you weave, so the bag cinches smoothly. Once the first chain is in, tie the 2 ends together. First chain. Done. Now weave the second chain from the right side, so the end comes out, on the left, nice and balanced. All right, now for the second chain, we'll weave it from the opposite direction, easy. Same path as before, just mirrored. You're doing great. Weave through the same spots and pass it right above the first chain, nice and tidy. Now gently pull the ends, just to test the cinch. Smooth, even, perfect. Tie a knot right here and repeat the same step. Nice and secure. Now the chains are attached on both sides. Tie your knots and trim the ends. Clean and neat. Now you can decorate the ends with little pom-poms or beads. Any colors you love. So cute. That part is totally your choice. And you can decorate the top too, any way you like. Make it yours. I'm making a little snowflake and we'll glue it right on. Or you can decorate with anything. Santa, a Christmas tree, a wreath, even a snowman. Any holiday theme works. All right, now let's move on. Next up, the snowman. Switch to your 2.20mm hook, nice and small. A smaller hook gives cleaner stitches here, so it looks crisp. Start with a magic ring, that's also called a magic circle. Chain 5. Keep that ring open, we're about to fill it, with stitches. Now, double crochet right into the ring. Chain 2, and double crochet into the ring. So we're making 6 double crochets in the ring, with chain 2 spaces between each one. Including the starting chain, you'll have 6. Now you should see 5 chain spaces around. Pause and check, then we'll join. You should have 5 spaces. Chain 2. Slip stitch into the top of that third chain, and complete the round. Slip stitch right into that first chain space. Chain 2, and in the same space, make 3 double crochets. We'll do the same thing in every chain space. chain 2 between groups, and work 4 double crochets into each chain space. And don't forget, always chain 2 between each group. As you go, count your groups. It helps you stay on track. Nice and easy. At the end, chain 2 and slip stitch to join. Slip stitch into the next stitch. Now slip stitch into the chain space. Chain 3. Then slip stitch right back into the same space. Now chain 4. And slip stitch into the same space. Chain 5. Slip stitch back into the same space. Chain 4. Slip stitch into the same space. Chain 3, and slip stitch into the same space again. Now we'll anchor and repeat that same point again. Slip stitch into the top of the 3rd double crochet below. Move into the next chain space and slip stitch. Now repeat the same point steps, just like the first one. Now do this sequence: chain 3, slip stitch, chain 4, slip stitch, chain 5, slip stitch, chain 4, slip stitch, chain 3, slip stitch. These chain lengths create the snowflake points. So pretty already. Now just repeat. Around the circle, 1 point in each chain space. It's looking so cute. Slip stitch into the top of the 3rd double crochet below. Move into the next chain space and repeat those same steps all the way around. When you reach the end, finish that last point, leave a tail, cut the yarn, and make an invisible join into the first stitch. Now weave in both tails on the backside, hide them neatly through the stitches. Take a moment to weave in the ends and make sure your snowflake lies flat. Final step, glue the snowflake onto the bag. Center it nicely. So pretty. And glue the pom-poms onto the ends. Cute detail. Love it. Let it dry for just a moment. And then we'll do the final reveal. Nice. All right. We glued on the pom-poms and the snowflake, and our gift bag is finished. Beautiful. Look how cute it turned out. So stylish and so giftable. Now pull the strings to cinch it closed, and this is the look. All right, that's everything for today. I really hope this helped you and inspired you to make one. Before you go, please subscribe to my channel and give this video a like. And tell me in the comments what decoration you'll add on top: a snowflake, Santa, or a tree. See you in the next crochet tutorial. Take care.